Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo, and if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my washer and my dryer. And this video, just as a disclaimer, is not sponsored. Everything that I purchase is with my own money. So I will be showing you the things that I use. And I will also be linking down below the items that I'm using so that if you're interested in purchasing them, you can click on that link down below. So if this is your first time here in my channel, I would love to have you. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So the product I'm going to be using for today is the Affresh washer cleaner. I really love this product. It is designed to penetrate and dissolve and remove odor causing residue from your washer after each use. It is said to be clean better than bleach. I love this product. It has 5 tablets. It is a 5-month supply. If you're interested, I will leave the link down below so that you can purchase your own. So after I open my product, I take my tablet out and I go ahead and I pour and I put the tablet inside of my washer and let it do its magic. Next, I will go ahead and let the water run on a full cycle. And I would let it go ahead and close and let it do its own magic. So I go ahead and take my Mrs. Myers and I clean the entire area of my washer, and I will do the same thing for my dryer as well. So I tend to do this constantly on a bi-weekly basis, but definitely for my washer, this Affresh product definitely works really well for my wash. So I will do the same thing for my dryer. I will go ahead and take my Mrs. Myers and go over all the areas onto my washer. This helps to clean all the dust off of it. You know how it is when you're washing and you tend to accumulate a lot of dust in these areas. So I go ahead and give it a good deep clean around the doors and everywhere that I notice that it has some dust there. So I do that. Repeat the process for the insides, all the nooks and crannies, all on the inside here. I also make sure to get the cracks of the doors and on the side where a lot of the lint also accumulates there. So I definitely want to make sure I get those areas here on my dryer. So I definitely want to make sure to get on the inside as well, because in here it has a lot of dust, and sometimes some of the lint from the clothes will get stuck on the inside. So I definitely want to make sure that I get on the inside of the dryer. So this is the product that I'm going to be using. This is the brush that I'm going to be using here. If you're interested in this brush, I would have it linked down below as well. This brush, I love it because it has a smaller bristles at the top and a larger bristles at the bottom. It bends and conforms to the area that you want to clean out the dust. This is a multi-surface brush use. I really love this brush, guys. It's definitely helpful in catching all of that lint inside of my dryer. So I will go ahead and take my lint brush and I will give it a good deep clean. And I do this, like I said, monthly when I clean my washer. But actually for my lint, I like to go bi-weekly and do that as well because it accumulates a lot of lint. So this is very important because, as you know, lint can cause fires in homes and you have to be really careful to clean those lint traps. As you can see that I'm continuing to get big balls of lint out. Even with my lint trap, I have to go really deep in there to get all of the lint out of there to make sure that I have all of that cleared out. So I definitely do this on a bi-weekly basis, but be sure to remove all of the lint after each drying session. Okay guys, so that is it today for my deep cleaning of my washer and dryer. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't seen my video already on my extreme laundry room makeover, I will leave that video link down below in the description box. And I have plenty of tips and tricks on how to get your laundry room the way you want it.
Okay guys, so that was my video for today. This is how I wash my washer and my dryer. I do not have the fancy washer and dryer. I love the washer and dryer because I've had it for a while. It's still working, and I believe that just upkeeping with it, and I'm definitely trying to stay on a budget, and so this has helped so much, guys. I know there are other ways that you can wash your washer and everything like that, but this way has helped a lot. But I love the tablets because I'm a working mom, and I definitely need that time to put it on other things. So the tablets help so much for washing my washer, and I love the brush to clean my dryer. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. Definitely join me, subscribe. I will be uploading videos, new videos every week, possibly 1 to 2, but new videos every week. Also guys, please let me know down below videos that you would like to see me do here on this channel. I so appreciate you watching for today, and don't forget to live your life beautifully, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.